Good evening everyone, my name is Breeze and I am making this video for my YouTube channel Born for Trade. Today I am a scanner that is give you a lab data from nsindia.com new website in your Excel sheet. If you wish to make this sheet according to your effort, then you can see this one video, two video and three video, and you're able to make this sheet for you yourself. If you have any problem to make this sheet, then you can also find a copy of this sheet, this scanner from by clicking here Telegram channel, and you can find download this sheet for your own study or whatever. Again, Telegram channel name is Born for Trade. I made for you another one scanner. You can simply select here. You can find this scanner. It looks like this type, and its name is Instant Intraday Stock Selection. But in this video I am discuss about this column. Here you can see in column signal came out buy plus B. In bottom you can also see sell plus sell or S signal. How can it came out, and how I make it. In this video I will discuss about this. It is depending upon this data. My English is not too good. It's my first video that I'm trying to make it in English. So listen careful and try to understand. If you download this sheet from my Telegram channel, here is that sheet from your mobile, and you can put in your desktop or laptop. In first time you open this sheet, then it is asking to connect this sheet to internet. You can allow this to connect it. And also first time when you refresh it or connect to data, then asks you to some permission, like it is data came from nsindia.com and something like. Then you can allow, and by clicking it, then it is work for you. Then like your personal scanner, you can simply select here. It is now default as Nifty. You can also find here Bank Nifty all stocks. You can select here, and from data menu you can refresh all like this. Here it is updated automatically. Again, if you want all future and option stocks, then you click here and refresh all. It takes some time and is update automatically. Then this column is common for all Nifty 50 stock, Bank Nifty stock, and all future and option stock. This column is common for all stocks. In another side, here is option chain. Default came Nifty option chain. You can select here as Bank Nifty, and again refresh all, or it is updated a Bank Nifty option chain. You can also select all future and option stock by clicking here. I just click here Yes Bank and refresh all. Then it give me a Yes Bank option chain. You can see here it is updated. Okay. Again I select here and came out top, and I select Bank Nifty and refresh all, and you can click here and select it default came all expiry available in NSE India new website NSEindia.com new website. Then you can select unselect all, and here is 2nd of May. Then I click latest upcoming expiry as 7 May. Then it give us latest expiry data. Here you can also make a filter about this. It is not updated right now, but if you open this in this sheet in live market, then you can see here this side put all put data, this side all call data, and here put price and here call price. Then you can select like here if here came out 10 rupees and here came 10 rupees, then you can also select you can also filter it from it, like go to strike price and then number, then go to between and just click 15,000 to whatever 22,000. Yes. Then it will only show this range data. You can also filter it like this. Okay, here also you can make a filter like here just clicking open price or last trading price where you want, and then go to text filter, or you can see here there is no between filter. Then it doesn't work in future and option stock, but you can also select here from Nifty and refresh all data, and you can make a filter like just here go to open and then go to number filter, then go to between, here appear between function, then just click I make this stock all Nifty 50 stock only came out for me like 100 rupees to 1000 rupees stock only. I want to see this range data here only. You can see it is shortlisted like 100 to 1000 rupees stock. But I am not discuss today. I am not discuss about this. I am discuss about this. Then I just click all and came out the main topic. Before I start this, I want to delete all the data from this column. I just delete this data from here, and I will explain how it came and what is the logic behind it. Guys, this is new channel, then I request you to subscribe it. If you find the content and that help you to trade or something, then you can like this channel, also like the video. Now the action time, I will just click here and making plus sign here, and low, here is low, then first select low, minus, just once again, plus, then I start with a bracket, then here is low, then I just select low, minus, open, and just closing bracket, and then divided by what, open, into 100, it give me a percentage value. And then I will select this column and again select bracket, and this is last trading price, means here I want to click here, then minus, I just comparing with open, then I select here minus, divided by again open, into 100, then it give me a percentage value. Then I just click here high, then bracket, then select high column, then minus with divide with open, minus with open, then divide with again open, into 100, it give me a percentage value. That it means this Nifty 50 stock, when it open at price this, it make a low, that is 0.2% low, and it make also a high like 1.39%, and it what is last trading price, means it is currently staying 1.09% compared to open. Then here is the one column, it appear gap, then here now I am comparing gap, I am making a formula for gap percentage. Then here I just click here, and then plus sign, then cost bracket, and then it is gap, it means I have to compare with open, then I just click open, minus, right now what is the minus value, I am taking close means previous day close, then bracket close, then divided by, again I am comparing with close value, then here I put just close and into 100, then it give me a percentage value, that is means it close here and make a 2.1% change, and open here, it appear like positive, then it means, then it means that 2.1% gap in upside. If here appear in minus value, then it means it give a percentage gap in bottom lower side. So now right now I am just click here and sorry for I just draw for here, because here is when I select this to FNO stock, then it common for all stock, all FNO stock, then it is completed, but here here I am just making a formula, complex formula for a pairing like by plus cell bs, like this signal. I just is how to before I start about call signal, we can discuss about this data. Here you can see 0.00. It means Tata Motors open is equal to low, because in low column we are seeing 0.00. It means open is equal to low. Just checking another one example. Here also, this is Maruti stock. In low column 0.0%, it means Maruti stock open is equal to low. That why here appearing 0.0. If you are trying to if you are a fan of open high low, then it is useful, very useful for you. Again just checking another one, 0.0. There is no 0.0. okay, then I am just shifting in high column and searching for 0.0. Here is 0.0 in high section, high column. Just checking ITC is open is equal to high. Here open is equal to high, that's why here appearing 0.00. Another example, here also appearing like 0.00. Then it means Hindustan Unilever open is equal to high. That's why here appearing 0.00. Then I think you are now very easy to find open high, open low by searching here 0.0 and also searching here 0.0. It will give you a open high, open low straight quick idea. I just taking a data here 0.0. It means open is equal to low, and it make a 16.91% of high. And what is the meaning of this column? It means 12.46%. Still it is in high. It is currently staying at 12.46% high, or whatever. Here if data is minus, then it means here minus 2.08% current status, and here minus 2.41% low. Please try to understand what I want to show you. Okay, before I start in column, you can I think it is good for I am able to tell you how can you can read this data in our scanner. Before I go to in call section, I again request you to subscribe this channel and support me. Okay, I just move here, and I'm making a formula for that give you a buy, sell, buy plus, sell plus, and B or S signal, and just divide the all stock about this type of 6 signal, and it is depending upon this data, that is live data. First of all, here is 0.0, it means here open is equal to low. I am making just a logic behind to find a call signal here. So I am just here clicking, and here you can see 0.0, it means open is equal to low, and just enter, then it is true. Here you can see open is equal to low, but I just checking another column, then here it fails because here not 0.00, it makes 0.87% low. That's why it is not open is equal to low. That's why here it fails. Then I just put this information in a logic like if open is equal to low, then taking double inverted comma, inverted comma, and no, just here this is not right, and making some effort about this, and here I write just by plus signal, BUY plus, and what is the result? That is by plus signal. Why? Because here open is equal to low, then it gives me a by signal, and here is open is equal to low, then it gives a by signal if. Here I just delete this and making to here delete this and here you can see again it is by signal, but here just clicking here it gives a fails result, and it is difficult to find the by signal because here appears something in text like fails. Then I just put here a comma, double inverted comma, and click it. It gives a same result, but now it gives a fails, don't fail, it filter fails result. So this is the effort of by plus, and same here I just came in here in high column, here is 0.00, it means ITC open is equal to high. This is logic. Then I just make a effort about open is equal to high, then it is true. You can understand this process to make a call signal automatically. This video is a little lengthy. You can understand the process of this formula. If you want to see, if you want to learn this step, you can continue. Otherwise, you can just click here in Telegram channel and make a download this sheet, and it will give you this type of signal. But if you want to learn, then you can continue about this video. So now this is a by signal and making I am a cell plus signal. Then here is a true, open is equal to high true, then I just put here if function and open the bracket and just click here and making double inverted comma double inverted comma and just close this. It appear here nothing means घंटा, nothing, कुछ नहीं. Then I just put here if low is equal to, here in low box here appear 0.0, it means open is equal to low, then it gives a by signal. The same logic here in high column, here appear 0.0, it means open is equal to high. Then we are taking this stock to sell, then I just put here a sell plus signal, SELL plus, and it appear a sell plus signal. So you can I think you can easily understand the process of buy plus signal and sell plus signal. If you draw this, then you another one here a buy signal, find you another one buy signal here. It is only appear a buy signal, buy plus signal and sell plus signal. Right now here I just copy it and paste it here again. High is equal to 0.00 here appear, then I just put here or just draw this, and here you can see the sell plus signal. Then right now it is not possible to appear in a single column for both signal in appear buy plus and sell plus. Then I just, if you want, if I am trying to just combine this formula in appear in a single column, I think you don't understand the problem. Then just I put this one to here you can see there is not possibility to buy plus and sell plus signal in single column. Then I just put here and just copy this formula to formula, taking Ctrl plus C, just copying it and press escape button, and I just came here in buy plus formula and I just delete here and make a comma and just Ctrl plus B, that is pasting a formula in this column. And pressing in, it is asking some information about we found a type in a formula and try to correct it, because it is not a correct form and I don't know how to correct it. Then I just believe in Excel, and do you want to accept the correction? Then I just click yes, I want. Then it appear only by signal. It is just correct the all formula to me, and now I just copy this formula and pasting up to 150 cell and pasting it. Then you can see here value is equal to, here there is no data, that's why it is appear something text. But in this column you can see here buy signal, in single column you can see here buy signal, buy plus signal, sell plus signal and sell plus signal. Same for the common for the all stocks like Bank Nifty. Just refresh here and you can see in these two bank only appear a signal like buy plus. Buy plus, there is no sell plus, because here is open is equal to low, there is no zero in high segment. That's why appear here buy plus signal. I'm just checking in FNO stocks and just click here, select FNO, and just refresh it, and we find the buy plus signal, because here is 00, it means open is equal to high. Very simple to find the open is equal to high. Just looking here 00, or just looking here a call signal, call signal like buy plus means open is equal to low. In bottom here is a sell plus signal, because here in high section 0.00, and it means open is equal to where open is equal to high. That's why here sell plus signal. So I think you are understand the process of making a formula like buy plus and sell plus. Understand? Now I'm making a buy signal and sell signal. How can make it? Taking a very short break, and I just came in Google and just searching BORN4TRADE and just enter button, and here you can see here my Facebook page Born for Trade. Here is another same Facebook page, and here appear a YouTube channel. Just click here and YouTube channel. Avoid this video because that's why. Sorry for that. In video section you can find your video about stock market. Here some other video appear, just avoid this. Okay, now I'm making a effort about generating a buy signal, same for sell signal. You can see here it appear like a minus 0.23% low and give a high up to 1.39%, and still it is maintaining 1.09% high. Understand? And here you can see minus 0.087% low, and it make a 16.91% high, and also it is maintaining currently 12.46% high. Just seeing another stock, it make a minus 1.52% low and make a high about 11.64% high. It is currently staying in 9.85% high. Type of data came, and I just making a logic to generate a buy signal and sell signal. According to me, my personal observation, you can see here minus 0.23%. Another one is here you can see 0.22%, that is below 0.4%. If ever minus 0 in the range of 0.4%, uh, you can understand what I trying to say. If here appear here, if in low column data appear 0.4%, less than 0.4%, then I make a sense to generate a by call. uh, what is the why? Because I just explain it here. You can see 0.22, it means less than 0.4. Then here you can see this stock will make 5.52% high and currently staying maintaining the current status like 3.66%. Another one here, it is less than 0.4, that is 0.11, and it make a high 5.62% and currently staying at 5.61%. Another one example, it is also less than 0.4% and make a high like 2.86% and currently staying at 2.15%. Here also you can see it is also less than 0.4% and it make a high up to 3.47% and currently staying at 3.35%. Then you can see the logic, my personal logic, that if the stock if the stock just between make a percentage that is 0.4% low, and it will give a generate a buy signal according to me. And this is the effort, and this is the logic, and I make a some logic to generate a buy signal. You can also see here 0.61% and it make a give a 10.98%. That means it is not compulsory to make a only 0.4% call, but it give a more stock and little confusion to select a stock. That's why I make a limit about 0.4%. You can also try what you about your experience, about your effort to make a 60%, 65%, 75% or 50% or 25%. It's depend upon you. I just making a logic that it if a stock make a low little within 0.4%, I find this stock and filter this stock and make a buy call. Here appear a buy signal. You can try to understand, because I have not a good good knowledge to how to speak English, but you can understand. Same for the sell signal. Here here you can see here 0.21%, and that is within 0.4%, and it make a minus 5.29% low and currently maintain the status of minus 3.72% low. That is within the 0.4 range. It's my personal range. You can define your range. So now I'm making a effort about this logic, that is low or high 0.2%, and make a call like buy or sell. So then here I first choose a buy signal, and here it appears 0.2% and give me some making some sense of to come buy signal. Then here I just click here and I just make a open minus low that give me a 22 rupees. And just I'm making a plus and open into 0.4%, sorry 0.4% 0.4, what is that? Here 0 0, it give a 39 rupees. You can understand the difference. That is open into 0.00, then it give me a 39 rupees, and the difference between open and low is equal to 12 rupees. That is, it is less than 39 rupees. That's why I'm making a sense to make this stock like appear here a buy signal. That is the effort. Then I just making some sense about this, and just delete the here and making some effort about open minus low is less than what? Less than open into 0.004. It is true. You can carefully understand the process, because I have some language problem. Okay, so this is true, and just checking here, just click search here, draw here, it is true also. It is greater than 40.4% minus 0.4%, that's why it is true. And here I'm just taking another one. Here is fails because it is less, it is greater than minus 0.48%. It is crossed the limit, that is 0.4. That's why here appear a fail signal. The fail signal, that means it give a logic that open give me a true signal. This formula is, this logic is correct. Okay, then I just put here if sign, capital if, and make a sense here. Just take a small comma, and again double inverted comma, double inverted comma, and give a enter. There is appearing nothing means then I just put here BUY and just click here. It give me a buy signal, and just checking here, it also give a buy signal because it is within 0.4. and checking here, it appear 0.87, and just checking here, there is nothing. It means this formula is okay. This formula is correct, and same logic for I'm making some same logic for sell signal. I just taking here 0 within 0.4, then I apply this logic to generate sell signal. Okay, then just I put plus sign, then I just open minus high. Open minus high is equal to what? Open minus high is equal to open into is equal to just इज इक्वल टू नहीं, ये लेस देन रहना चाहिए, तो लेस देन रहना चाहिए। लेस देन इट मीन्स this less than into 0.004, and it give a fail result. Then I just change this formula like this, symbol like this, and it give me a true. I am telling you the process to to generate the call signal. Okay, so I am not an expert, but I am just taking some step and generate a call cell signal here. So it is true. Just checking here is 0. Then I just copy and put here. Sorry, I put here, paste. Just copy and put here, it is true, and here you can see greater than 0.4. Then I just pasting it here, and it give a true signal. Then it means I'm making some mistake in this formula. Okay, because here true it's okay, here true it's okay, but here also true, it means we are done something mistake about this condition. Then I just take a close look. Okay, taking a little break, short break. About, you can came in about section. I post, I just connect I just contact, क्या बोलते हैं इसको यार, I am posting all video in this platform, but all of but most of the platform it appear only 1 minute video. It is difficult to post. That's why you can subscribe my channel and came to see my video. Okay, I'm just taking offline and make this formula to correct. Don't worry, just don't worry about length. You can also see the process. I just click here and I'm just taking open minus high. What give us 3.3 rupees. Then I just click no, here no, here because here 0.21%. Just open minus high, give a 1 rupees change. Okay, then I just here put open into 0.004, that give a 1.19 rupees. That is 1.19 rupees is less than 1 rupees change. Avoid the sign. Okay, then I'll try again. That is high minus open is greater than open into 0.004. It fails. Okay, then I just change the sign and it is true. Okay, then I just copy it and paste it here. It is true, and here appear it is fail. Why? Because here 0.85%. Then it is, this formula is correct. Okay, I just checking here. Then this formula is true. then I just make some sense applying if function, and here comma, double inverted comma, comma, double inverted comma, and just close the bracket, and it give here nothing again. Then just I put here SELL, cell, and it give a cell signal. Okay, understand? Okay, just copy it and paste here and see what happened. Then here give a cell signal because it less than 0.4, and here appear nothing because it is greater than 0.4. So the formula is cell and by formula is correct. I just checked, and now we want to try to make a sense to compare it. How? Just see. I just click here and go to the formula bar, and I just copy all the Ctrl+C all the formula and press escape button, and just came into a by signal, and just delete this step and just Ctrl+V and pasting it, and just try to combine the formula and hit the and again we done something wrong, and it give me a suggestion to correct itself, and I just click yes. Okay, so now it give a combined formula for by and cell signal, and I just click here and just pasting to up to 150. Okay, and now it give a signal where by signal because it is less than 0.4. okay, here by signal because here less than 0.4, and same for the here it give a cell signal because it is less than 0.4. Here cell signal because here appear less than 0.4. 0.4 means it give a high less than 0.4% of stock compared to open price. Okay, then we have two types of formula, that is buy plus buy sell, and now making a sense to a formula like sell B and S, because you can see here it is filtered, this stock Tata Motor filtered like buy plus signal, generating buy plus signal. Nifty 50 here generating buy signal, and this is the stock that make a 16.91% high and still currently still maintain a 12.4% high. Then I just make a sense to this type of stock like B, and same for the here you can see Hindustan Unilever make a sell plus signal, and Sun Pharma make a sell signal, and here you can see Cipla making a minus 3.58% low, and currently maintain the 0.94% low. Then this type of stock I want to generate a signal like S. Then how then just I click here this UPL and make some sense about making just making a B plus B signal. Okay, then I just put a plus sign or is equal to making a sense to generate a B plus signal. Then I just make a select here open is greater than open is less than last trading price, then it give a true. It is true. Open is greater than open is less than open is less than last trading price. It is true. Okay, then making a just copying here and pasting here and see it is fails because open is less than last trading price. Then why here it fails? That means it is this logic is true, matlab this logic work for making a B plus signal. Okay, so just I take a advantage of this applying if function and start bracket and just click here comma and double inverted comma double inverted comma and just closing the bracket and here appear nothing and here put I just sign B and hit the enter button and it appear like a B plus signal. Okay, B signal. Okay, so now same for I just make a sense to make a S signal. Then I just click plus button and make a sense like open is greater than last trading price, then it is true. And already I checked the same process for B, and then I just taking advantage and making some effort if applying if formula, if bracket open and then comma then double inverted comma then double inverted comma then bracket close and put here S signal, S capital S and hit the enter button. Okay, so it make a sell signal. So now I just try to mix this formula to B plus B and S formula. Then I just click here and go to the formula bar and just copy it, avoid this is equal to and just Control plus C, copy and escape, and here came in B signal and just click here and delete this and just Control plus V, just pasting it and hit the enter. And again it is incorrect and it Excel try to make it correct. Then I asking me, then I just hit the yes button and it is corrected now. Then I just copy it and paste, select the wholesale up to 150 and just Control plus D. Wow, something I do mistake. Okay, so I just Control plus D and I just okay, and now I copy it and pasting here. Okay, so all the stock appearing like B plus here because in NSEindia.com in top is all top top stock appear in 1 minute. Okay, all the stock which keep making higher high, then it is appear in top, and all the stock making lower low, then it appear in bottom. So here buy signal, buy signal, in center some buy and some sell mix, but in low it is all stock like sell signal. So now we are find the formula for buy plus, sell plus, buy, sell, B and S plus. All the this formula I have. We have generate the signal. We have some formula for how to generate the signal. Okay. Now also taking a short break. You can see here intraday stock scanner. Just click here and give you a scanner. Okay, so here also uptrend, and here also call option, and here also generate a buy signal, sell signal, buy plus signal, sell plus signal. Here also generate S plus signal or B plus signal. Okay, so this calculation is different compared to this calculation. Okay, so don't mix it. Okay, here some other function applied. Okay, here something, it give us lab data from nhsindia.com and give only 1 day current trading day data. That's why I am trying to find out the right stock to make a call, make a signal. Yes, I'm talking about. Okay, now I am trying to combine this formula all in one column. Okay, so before that I again request you to subscribe my channel, because I need more, at least 100 subscriber, because I need it. Okay, if my channel have more than 100 or 100 subscriber, then I just making a video about this Fibonacci retracement and extension tool, and it is very different setup or idea which is available already available in market, in internet, about Fibonacci, and it is give you to unlock your mind about Fibonacci retracement and extension, and you just become a big fan of Fibonacci retracement and extension, and you also use my data to daily basis. That's why I'm again asking to subscribe you for it. Okay, so now I am just combining this all three column in one column. So okay, so here you can see, here in this column it generate same stock Tata Motors generate buy plus signal. Here also generate a buy signal, and here also generate a B signal. Sell. So you can see here Hindustan Unilever generate sell plus signal, sell signal, and S signal. Now I combine this all three formula in one and avoid this sell signal and S signal. Now just making a sense to combine it. Okay, so now first of all I just click here in by signal and just copy this formula up to is equal to, and just click Ctrl plus C and then just escape and came into this column and just click here, go to formula bar and just delete this, and just I am pasting it by selecting Ctrl plus V and just hit the enter. And it also again asking me this is not a good formula and it want to correct it. Then I just click yes button and it is corrected. So now just draw this formula into this section. Okay, just click here and draw this here. Okay, so here you can notice here only came by plus signal, not by signal. Okay, and just draw this here, and here there is nothing. Okay, so now this formula and this formula combined it here. Okay, so this formula I don't need. Okay, just copy it and checking in self plus signal. Okay, so I just put here and paste it here again, self plus signal, and I just here came cell signal because here appear a cell signal. Okay, so this formula is correct. Okay, so now I combine this by plus signal and by signal in a single column. Okay, so now we want to try to mix this formula to B or a signal. Okay, so now just click here and just copy all the formula up to is equal to, and just click copy and just click Ctrl plus C and just escape it, and I just came here and I just click here and click here and just delete this common and just Ctrl plus V and pasting it and hit the enter button. And again we are doing wrong, and do you want to accept this what we found a type in your formula and try to correct it? Yes. So now all three formula combined it in one. Okay, so now I just excited and just draw up to 150. Okay, and you can see here a combination of by plus signal, by signal, and B plus signal. Same for cell plus signal, cell signal, as signal. All those formula combined come out in one column and generating some call. Okay, so now here I just type CALL. Okay, call. No, I don't want to type here call because here is already call section. So okay, so I just copy it and paste in call section, and we have a series of call. So now just delete it. Okay, so now you are expert to generate a call signal which is based on this type of data in Excel sheet. Now you can also try this formula to another sheet and you can practice it, and you can whatever where you want you can try it. Okay, so now you are expert to generate a call signal according to live data. One thing here you can notice, here is Nifty, you can just click here and change Bank Nifty and refresh all. You can see
front line कौन है बाबा?
then it is common for all Nifty stock, Bank Nifty stock and future and option stock. Okay, it is common. It is common to all. Okay, so now you are expert to generate this type of signal. Okay, if you have any question about this tutorial, then you just write in comment section. Okay, and if you want this sheet, then this is a simple. You can just search Bond for Trade in Google, and here is YouTube link. Just click here and it came to my your YouTube channel, and here is Telegram channel. You can just click here, and here channel name Bond for Trade again, and you can see the sheet name Bond for Trade. That is this sheet. You can download here, download it from Bond for Trade Telegram channel, and in your mobile, and just put in desktop or laptop and enable the data connection, and some pop-up will come out, and just click OK. Allow it to connect the nsindia.com, and it give you live data, and it also generate the live calls for you, like open B plus, buy plus, sell plus, buy, sell, BS. This 6 type of signal generated, and all the stock divided within this type of 6 signal, and you can compare it from your trading setup, and you can first check this type of signal, and then you can trade. And remember one thing, that I am not SEB registered advisor, so that's why if it give you loss and profit, it's all about your risks. I am not responsible for any loss. Okay, so this is the point you can always remember. Okay, so now, so this is the disclaimer about this scanner, and now you can if you like something helpful about this video, something interesting, then you can subscribe this channel, and you can also click here. This is the official Facebook page. You can also like it, and if you came in bottom, here you can see team member, that is me. You can here click. You can also send a friend request to become a friend. So that's it in this video. अगर आप यहाँ से देख रहे हैं यूट्यूब ये वीडियो, तो प्लीज़ यहाँ पे चैनल पे आके इसे सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। अपने सब जे यूट्यूब पर ही वीडियो देख रहे छी, तब प्लीज़ चैनल के सब्सक्राइब करू, अपन कमेंट राय अपन राखू।